time for makeup. I'm going to try to keep it to a minimum because I don't usually end up wearing a lot when I'm there. There are a couple of things that I'll need, and again, I can't pack everything because I need my concealer and some other items for the week, but I'll put in what I can. And I usually just use this one that I have from Vera Bradley. So I'm going to take my Ofra Life's a Draft palette by Samantha March because it's got everything that I would need. It's got a blush, it's got a highlight, and it's got shadows. And that way I have all of those things and they're all in one as opposed to bringing all separate things. I will need a blush brush and highlight brush, of course, to blend. And then I will also be bringing, and I should keep this out to use this week, but I'm just not going to worry about it for the few days because I need to pack it. So it's the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder brush, and then a few eyeshadow brushes for the shadow, my lash comb, and a spoolie. I had to get a new one because the other one was a bit too gunked up. It wasn't really working anymore. And then a new e.l.f. brow pencil I have to bring with me. Nearly forgot mascara. This is a new Milani Anti-Gravity. And then for lips, I'm taking my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color Silk. And then two oldie but goodie lipsticks from ColourPop, the Belle and Cinderella. And I found that I even like combining these and making a new color with them. And then I have this pink shimmery gloss from LA Colors. It's from their holographic line. And what color is it? It just says iridescent lip gloss. Oh, and sugared. And then this is a Wet n Wild, I believe, gloss from their Fantasy Makers collection in On Cloud 9. Figure gloss is just easy on the go. And then, just in case I want to line the lips for anything, I've got this one that I got in Ipsy from Luna Magic. And this is the color Bonita. Otherwise, it's just going to be my concealer and my brow gel. I'm pretty sure that's it. So, pretty light on the makeup this time, and I am all good with that. And I will be back with a carry-on video as well. Now time to pack my carry-on, or again what I can pack of it. And I did have to get a new backpack for carry-on because in the past I always used my purple JanSport, so if you watched any of my other packing videos you would have seen that. But unfortunately, after years of use, it broke. The strap broke off. So I got a new one that I found on Amazon from the brand Bag Smart. I was looking through and I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a bag, but I wanted something with lots of pockets to keep things organized. And then of course I needed space to take my laptop, so that's what I was kind of looking for. And then I liked this color, and I bought this before the makeup bag that I talked about in that video, but they just happen to be very similar, almost the same color. I don't mind being matchy-matchy. So first things first, I'm gonna open up this laptop pocket here. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a laptop slot, but it's also got for like your tablet, and then you can secure it all in. So I liked that part of it. And I don't know if my laptop's gonna fit in its case, or if I should put it in without the case. I guess we're gonna find out. I might have to put it without the case, which is not ideal, but at least it will have a pouch and take up less space. And it is padded, so yeah, that fits a lot better. Next up, iPad. My iPad case is quite beat up, but I don't need to get a new one right now. It still stands, so. But this way I have all my books on the Kindle app, as well as being able to download shows for the airplane, because that is a must for me. Also, I can't remember if I've told you, but because I have to take my wedding dress on the plane as a carry-on, I'm taking a small hard suitcase. I think I did tell you in my suitcase packing video, but I'm taking a small hard suitcase for the dress. So I'm hoping I can fit everything in this backpack and not take a purse. Worst case, I could probably take the backpack and purse and have James take the small suitcase as his carry-on, because he'll only have a backpack. I don't really want to have him do that if I can help it. So we're gonna see how it goes and if I can fit everything in here. Gotta have the passport. Also gonna have to take our rings in here, but mine sadly is not ready yet, even though I dropped it off to them May 2nd to be resized, and it was guaranteed by May 30th, and here we are, oh gosh, I don't even know, early June, and still not ready. So I will be calling them tomorrow, and it better be ready. And James is gonna go pick it up for me, so that will also be in here. It's got handy dandy drink compartments on the side. And then one thing that's convenient about it too is like if you wanted to charge something in your bag, it has a spot here where you can put wires through so you can be charging on the go. Of course, so many cords and chargers to always take. So fun. But at least luckily this will do my phone and my iPad, so that's helpful. Must have external hard drive, computer cords, which I might see if I can put in this zippy part, seeing as I won't need those on the plane. Oh man, I hope this backpack doesn't get too heavy. I feel like I say that every time I travel. Pen, because you never know when you'll need one. My splitter and small earbuds, but I usually bring over-the-ear headphones because I don't like having to have different ones for the computer, the phone, but I don't have the over-the-ear ones at the moment. However, I'm afraid they're going to take up too much space in this bag, so we'll see how that goes. And then, as much as I'd rather not, I have to bring my budgeting book and checkbook because I still gotta pay bills while I'm away. And I don't do online bill pay for certain things because I prefer it that way. Wallet is a must. Sunglasses. Have to have those in Florida. Now I'm going to go in the other room and get my medications, vitamins, all that kind of stuff that I need to pack. And I'm also going to have to fit my camera that you're on right now in here with the little tripod. I think I can do that just fine. I was thinking about taking my old camera as well, hoping to get some wedding footage. But we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'm going to have all the space for it. But for right now, we're doing pretty well with the carry-on. So I'm going to go get those medications and vitamins and things, cross off my list, and we'll see where we're at. I did almost forget to say I am also packing some N95 masks because I especially like wearing them in the airport and the plane, because not only to protect myself from getting sick, but to protect loved ones as well. I got all my vitamins, medications, all that good stuff. And James is going to be able to take the Canon, or the other second camera for me, so that's very helpful as well. So otherwise, I'm also now going to put in my jewelry, even though it's nothing super valuable. I just feel better having it on me than in the checked bag. So that's going to go in here. This can go in here. And I think that's everything I can put for now until I get the rings and put in last minute things like hand sanitizer and all that good stuff. But I did better than I thought I was going to. It's slightly bulgy, but not too bad, so that's good. That's what's in my carry-on. And I hope you enjoyed watching these packing videos. Again, if I have any updates or things to add, I will put them in before the video is complete. But as of right now, that's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!